much better. Can I show my love for you? Can I show my love for you?
What's up, you guys? Okay, so I'm freshly out of the shower. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and before I blow dried it, I also put in the Cécred Moisture Sealing Lotion. It just added a little bit more moisture to my hair. Today we're just gonna do a first impressions on the Cécred Strong Hold Gel, and I got the foam as well because my hair is so thick. I didn't know how this Strong Hold Gel was going to, if it's even going to pull all this hair into a ponytail. We gonna see. But I got the foam just in case I needed a little extra moisture to maybe help pull it back. But we gonna see. We're just gonna experiment today and see what happened. I usually do my ponytails wet straight out of the shower, but I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can do a dry ponytail. I don't really like to put a lot of heat on my hair. It's really hard to blow dry my hair too. I usually just do my sleek ponytail straight out the shower, but I was like, let me try something different today. So yeah, y'all, I don't even know where to start. All of this hair. Let's go straight in with the Strong Hold Gel. I'm sure you guys seen this tube already, but here it is. It is the Cécred Strong Hold Gel, 5 ounces. I got the little Cécred edge brush too, so we're gonna try that out too. What is it to try out? It's a brush. Okay, so see, this is the consistency of the gel. Smells good. Oh yeah, this is light. This is very light. This ain't putting this in a ponytail at all. I can see that now. This is definitely probably gonna be light. It's really light. I don't think this is gonna hold my hair because I don't really straighten out my hair a lot for the most part. My hair is curly. So I be needing really strong gel for the flyaways. Adding a little water. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Did I sleep too soon? Wait a minute. More water. Very much giving me a slick look, how I like it. Now, putting the hair in a ponytail is like a workout. All of this hair. Wait a minute. Okay, Cécred. I am not mad at it. Let's look at my edge edges. It's a little bit curling up, but I'm not mad at this slick. Let's go in with a little bit more. Rub it in. Let's use the Cécred brush. Ooh, I like this brush. It's nice and hard. I like hard brushes. Okay. That is slicking me down. I stand corrected. I thought I was not gonna be able to get a slick pony flat with just the Cécred Strong Hold Gel, because I was seeing mixed reviews and my hair is really thick. But baby, look at this. It is slicked down. Maybe it was because I activated it with the water. Some reviews that I've seen, I didn't really see them using water. They was just putting the gel on and brushing it. It does have a sticky consistency, definitely. It is very much sticky. But as long as the pony is looking slick, I don't care about the sticky. That's all I need. As long as the edges is laid, that's all I'm worried about. Let me see. Okay, let me do the back. Emulsify it up. I'm gonna take my brush first, add some water to it. Take the Cécred brush. Not that the kitchen matters, because you can't see that at all. It's only what matters is the front. So I'm feeling it. I think I was gonna braid it up and put it into like a little, I don't know, should I wet it up or should I just do a poof? You know what, I'm gonna wet it up and see if I can get a slick braid with the gel and see how that looks. I got this little sticking up right here. Ooh, y'all see that? I had a little, it was sticking up and I used the Cécred, the comb side, to comb it in. And it combed it right in. Okay, so I do see my curls kind of like trying to pop out. So far, so good. What y'all think? Is it looking slick? I think so. Okay, so hands are sticky. Let me wash my hands real quick. So far, y'all, I give the Strong Hold Gel a 9 out of 10, only because I need to go through a whole day and see if my curlies start popping up, because that's usually what happens. My curls always popping out. They kind of popping out now, just a tad bit, but I'm still very impressed with the slick that I'm getting. Just with that little bit, I thought I was gonna have to use a whole lot, and I really didn't. I just emulsified it in my hand and then rubbed it into my head and then used more water. Let's see if we can get a braid out of this with the gel. I'm gonna wet my hair up. let's see if we can get this into a braid. So I'm gonna wet my hair up and then use the gel for that and see if I can get into a slick braid and then see how that looks. Okay, so wet my hair down a little bit with water to bring the poof down. Let's put a little bit more gel. It's kind of poofing up. I'm gonna put some more sealing lotion in, just to give it a little bit more moisture. I'm gonna take one piece at a time. I think I'm kind of winging this here. Let me see, maybe do 2 or 3 braids. Let's see. Okay, so I wet this part right here, combed it out a little bit, put some sealing lotion on it. So I'm gonna take some Strong Hold Gel, and we're just experimenting right now, y'all. Just experimenting. Yeah, I'm not the best braider. This ain't about to be super duper neat. 1 braid down. I know everybody was wanting Cécred to come out with a Strong Hold Gel for a wash and go, but I think that's next. I think they in the lab. Then, okay, I just wet the last little part. Oop. Putting some more sealing lotion on it. Comb that out. Get some more Strong Hold Gel. Adding that to it. There you have it, y'all. Let's see. How'd I look back there? The braids look moisturized. Very moisturized, very shiny. I am not mad at it. Okay, now let's re-slick it down, because I'm doing a lot of movement. It's kind of like coming up some more. But we are going to just slick this around into a little bun. I could let them hang, but let's just slick it around into a little bun. Okay, and there it is, y'all. Okay, I got a little flyaways, a couple flyaways, 1 on 1. Slick it down. Gotta get the kitchen, y'all. Why do we used to call it that? Where did that come from? The kitchen. Got the BBDs in the kitchen. Gotta get the kitchen, y'all. Who made that up? Okay. Lord, my little flyaways keep coming up. Okay, y'all. So this is my Cécred Strong Hold Gel pony. What we think? It's a couple flyaways, but what do we think, y'all? I'm honestly not mad at it. It is some flyaways, but for me to get it slicked back like this from how my hair was, blow dry, very much thick, I'm really, really impressed. I would give this like an 8 out of 10. Now the 9 would be if my little flyaways is not popping up, and to see how my hair was to hold up after a day, just being out. But I just was like in Ulta, and I was like, let me go see how this Strong Hold Gel hold. I'm not mad at it, and I did this kind of fast. Probably if I did it, really took my time and made it really, really neat. I kind of just put it in off one time. I brushed it up and put it in at one time, and then this is what I got. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all tried the Strong Hold Gel, if y'all liked it. And then maybe next time I'll pair it with the foam. Maybe that'll slick it down some more if I pair it with the foam. Or I'm gonna maybe try another pony when I do it wet, because I usually do my ponies wet, but I just did it blow dry this time. But so yeah, that is it, y'all. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried the Strong Hold Gel? Have you guys paired it up with any other things to get any other styles? Let me know. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.